thinking about buying crypto today, stop, because if you don't understand these three things first, you're not investing, you're gambling. In this video, it'll show you what most beginners get wrong and how to enter crypto the smart way. This is Web3 Empire 001, a place where blockchain meets smart money. Let's make sure your first crypto move doesn't become your biggest regret. Things you must know before you buy crypto. Want to understand what you're buying? Don't just follow TikTok or YouTube hype. Ask, does this project solve a real problem? Who's behind it? What's the token actually used? If the only reason it's going up is memes, it'll likely crash just as fast. 2. Timing is everything. Buying the top of a hype cycle is the fastest way to get rich. Look at market cap, price history. Whether you're early to the narrative or late exit liquidity, use dollar cost averaging. Don't dump all your money in at once. 3. Choose the right wallet and security. If you're keeping crypto on an exchange, you don't really own it. Start with a secure wallet like MetaMask, Rabby, or Ledger. Enable TOTAFACE. Store your seed phrase offline and avoid clicking scam links. Security speed. Bonus mistake to avoid. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Crypto is volatile, but long-term thinkers win. Buying crypto is easy, but buying smart is rare. If this saves you from making a mistake, like the video and subscribe for more real talk Web3 education. Web3 Empire 001, and we're building crypto wealth the right way.